There we go. All right. First smallie on the ultralight gear. I've downsized everything. I got a small topwater lure, 6'6" ultralight rod, size 2000 spinning reel, and 4-pound straight fluorocarbon, I guess let's call it. Anyway, been out here catching all of these smallmouth bass on a baitcaster. Even though it's fun, stuff compared to trying to chase them with ultralight gear. There we go. All right. First smallie on the ultralight gear. Doesn't seem too big. Nah, a little 12-incher. Not a whole bunch of them are right next to it. I don't know if you can see that. There's, oh, come on, try to grab it. Try to see if I get two on at once. There's 3 others swimming around. Okay. Well, let me see if I could get this guy unhooked. Shoot for the other ones. Good little start. That's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Yep. On the Rapala Skitter Pop. Say 12 inches. Alrighty. Well, I'm actually aiming for something closer to 3 pounds a day. There we go. Number 2. Another small guy. Oh, again, not too bad. About 12 to 13 inches from what I can see. Oh, not bad at all. That may be bigger than that first one. Gotcha. Gotcha. Barely had you hooked. Pop right out. Okay. Maybe a little bit bigger than that first one. Thank you. There we go. Number 3, right along the bank. Another decent smallie. Still not the big one I'm looking for, but as always, these are fun to fight, even more so using ultralight tackle. Alright. Alright, calm down. Calm down. Oh, almost got me. Gotcha. I've been hooked in the hand before, so that's why I'm really tentative using treble hooks. Smallest of the three. It's about 11 inches. Thank you. There we go. Number 4. Oh, quick release. About cookie cutter size of the first 3. There we go. Oh, we got a jumper. Number 5. Number 5. Phew. I definitely need to get a net. Gotcha. Similar to the first 4 I caught. All roughly between 11 to 13 inches.